This is Fee King. It is day 9. I can't believe it's already 9 days into this movement. I am geeked. I ran 5 miles today. Thank you so much, Ardelia Shaw, for posting your prayer. I ran that you would have the inner strength of steel. I also ran and prayed, Dee Dee, that you would release yourself from any judgment for how long it takes one to mourn, because, sis, it takes what it takes. You know, we all deal with death in a different way. We all mourn for a different length of time. And I also pray that if there are any feelings of guilt for having left home, that you would be released from that, that you would give yourself a pass and just stop and know that the bond and the friendship that you and your mother had was real. It was beautiful. I was sometimes envious of the just that support that your mom had for you and you for her, and just know that you always had those memories, and you had 40-something years with your mother, which is a blessing. So do your absolute best to focus on that, especially when you start to feel sad, because I love you, and I've been praying for you, but today was especially significant for me because you asked me to run and pray for you, and I felt your pain, and I love you, and I'm supporting you still, Dee Dee. Thank you so much. Nikki, my sister, she posted a prayer request, finally. Nikki, girl, I know you. You are me, and I am you. I understand anger. I understand that for you, Nikki, I really, really, really prayed and ran with specificity that you would deepen your faith, that you would also be open to whatever tools that are out there, and there are numerous tools to help one deal with their anger. I also, Nikki, prayed and ran that you would find the laughter and the love in every single thing, because I know we're all working, we're building our brands and our companies, and I get that, and the universe gets that. It supports you. You are fine. You are more than fine. Thank you so much for both of you. I also did 6 sprints because I wanted to make a cause for both Dee Dee, Nikki. I wanted to make a cause for the universe, so I did 6 sprints, and the intention was focus, determination, absolute love, absolute happiness, and success. Please go to the website and read the post. And also, if you want to email me, you can email me at runprayheal@gmail.com. You can post your prayer requests at uniquephysiquela.com. This is your girl, Fee King. I'm hoping I can do a few more miles tonight. We'll see. But peace and blessings. Have a positive and powerful day. Run, pray, heal. It's a movie!